J.C. Cherry Incorporated was established in October of 2013. Based in Tokyo, Japan, we are the global marketing arm of J.C. Electronics Corporation. We manufacture various connectors, test sockets, probe pins, printed circuit boards, and more. Approximately 70% of the products we've provided so far are custom-made products that include high current, high voltage, and high frequency. Our products support a variety of industries including aerospace, semiconductors, medical equipment, military, and industrial equipment. Our design team uses extensive experience and new ideas to realize products. We proceed with consideration of validity confirmation, manufacturing process, cost, delivery date, and more. Based on the model designed by 3D CAD, create a sample of the entity model using a 3D printer. You can check the shape in advance to see if it matches your image. In addition, using finite element analysis to do structural simulation enables optimal design by addressing issues of contact point displacement, contact load, and stress. This reduces the need for costly production and design changes. Approximately 70% of the products ordered by our customers are custom-made products. Therefore, we pursue cutting-edge technology and spare no effort in improving the development environment and investing in equipment. We have introduced a high-precision, high-speed, small-diameter microfabrication machine to reduce the size and pitch of products requested by our customers. We have our own machining center and can process difficult-to-cut materials such as tungsten, Kovar, ceramic, and SUS 316. Even products that are not accepted by other companies will be resolved by our accumulating cutting know-how and track record of performing fine precision machining for many years. We have automatic lathes with a maximum diameter of 4.0 to 32.0 so that we can handle the right type, right amount, and timely production in an era where processing is complicated and various products must be mass-produced. We perform precision molding of plastic materials using vertical and horizontal injection molding machines. We manufacture and produce insulators that use molds like test sockets, injection silicone, and more. Since the mold can be manufactured flexibly, it is possible to create new shapes that are not available in standard products. We also assemble by hand to meet special and small orders. We have a full range of test environments and equipment that comply with various standards, such as network analyzers, oscilloscopes, impedance analyzers, and calibration kit simulation software. Electrical tests, such as contact resistance and durability tests, physical tests, and environmental tests can be performed. By using laser microscopes, we quantify the surface change of the product, which is difficult to judge visually. Precise measurements can also be made using an optical microscope. In this way, we are enhancing equipment for the purpose of quality maintenance and management. Contact us today at jccherry.com.